We have new information tonight. Sentencing has officially been canceled this week for the former Memphis police officers in the death of Tyre Nichols. Now a status conference is set for this Friday to determine what happens next. That's after the judge over the federal case suddenly recused himself on Friday. WREG investigator April Thompson has more on what happens now.
Monday was supposed to kick off several sentencing hearings for Tadarius Bean, Justin Smith, and Demetrius Haley in the 2023 beating death of Tyre Nichols. But the court was quiet. People still trying to determine what's next after Judge Mark Norris recused himself of the case. The judge didn't give a reason why he decided to remove himself after the high-profile trial he presided over for almost a month back in the fall, and why he made his surprising decision just 3 days before the first of the former officers was to learn his fate. But here is what we do know. Judge Cheryl Lippman is listed as the new judge to take over the case. It will likely take a while for her to get up to speed on the particulars of the case and weeks of testimony. Several sealed motions have also been filed regarding the proceedings, and those motions must be heard. Monday morning, the court put out this notice saying a status conference is now set for Friday, June 20th at 10 a.m. before Judge Lippman. The court also said the sentencing hearings set to take place Monday through Wednesday of this week are canceled. Former officers Desmond Mills and Emmett Martin had already received a delay in their sentencing, Mills until June 23rd, and Martin got a short delay in state court after his attorney cited mental considerations. But a change in federal judges affects what happens with their case, too. Martin and Mills also still have to be sentenced on the state side after they pled guilty. Bean, Smith, and Haley were all acquitted in state court.
While no one is talking about the impact of one judge stepping down and a new sentencing judge being brought in, Tadarius Bean's attorney did issue a statement. John Keith Perry said, "This is a very rare occurrence. We, of course, will follow the instructions of the court and the new judge."
He cited Rule 25 of Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure, designed to make sure trials and proceedings can continue, even if the original judge can't fulfill their duties. The rule says if a judge who presided over a trial is unable to perform post-trial duties like sentencing, any other judge regularly sitting in or assigned to the court may complete those duties. Reporting for your news leader in Memphis, April Thompson, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, changes to come there, and that status conference on Friday. At that conference, we could get a better idea on a new date for sentencing. Of course, we'll be there and we'll let you know what happens.